you guys, welcome back. Actually, my first video ever for my beauty channel. Say hello, you guys. For this channel, it's all gonna be all about beauty, and I've been waiting for this moment to have all my plans together, how I wanted to start my first video. So this is it. So for this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually do a review on this look, this makeup look. I want to actually shout out to my girl Ashley. She did my makeup for me, and I wanted to show you guys what she can do. Like, this girl really slayed me. Like, I can show you the before picture. Yeah, so she transformed me to a sexy lady. Like, you see me, y'all? So this is the look that she gave me. I told her to freestyle me. I gave her the access to be creative, to do whatever she desired on my face. And this is what she came up with. She did a beautiful job, and it took her almost, like, I would say 30 minutes, 40 minutes to like an hour to complete this look. It is beautiful. I am in love with it, you guys. I look so nice. Like, I didn't know makeup would take me this far, but look at this. This is really absolutely gorgeous. And for anyone that's wanting more information about Ashley and where you can find her, I will put all that description down below. You know, let her know that you was referred by me, Belinda. That way you can not probably, but you will receive a discount from me. So she is here in Orlando, also in Sanford. She's here in Florida, so if you live around there, she'll be able to do your makeup for you. And not only does she do makeup, but she does skincare, she does waxing, she does massages, she does, like, you know, all that good stuff for beauty. So I would highly, not because, you know, I know her, but she is talented, you guys. You will be impressed of her work. Like, if I show you guys everything that, you know, this girl's done as far as makeup and beauty, I'm telling you, she is the one to go to. Like, she's really good, so I recommend her. You know, I'm hyping her up a lot because she deserves the credit. Like, this is beautiful. And these lashes are for her. Like, these are her own lashes that she put on me. It came with a nice case, which I forgot. I really did. It's like a treasure box case. It was cute, you know. It was really cute. I wanted to show you guys that, but unfortunately I left underlid, my water eye. Like, she did my eyebrows good. Like, the highlight is popping. So yeah, so this video, you guys, I just wanted to do a review on her makeup skills and everything. So this is a good look. You can let's see, you can go out, party. Yes, you guys. So yeah, this is my first video, and I wanted to just go ahead and do a review on my makeup that she did today for me. Like I said, I'm going to put her description down below, and this first video is going to be short. I will let you guys know that I am planning on putting out some more beauty content on my channel. Me, myself, is trying to get into makeup. I specialize in hair, but when it comes to beauty, you want to branch yourself out, and that is what I am doing. I thank you guys for watching my first video, and I will see you soon. Mwah, mwah, mwah.